Hello my dear friends, welcome to CR Digital Classes. In this video we are going to understand about applications of mobile commerce. What are the applications of mobile commerce? First of all, let us understand what is mobile commerce. Mobile is, everybody knows what is mobile. It is a cell phone. That is whatever we are using, a smartphone. So mobile commerce is the transactions we use for the exchange of goods and services. So mobile commerce is we are doing the commerce, that is exchange of goods and services with the help of mobile, that is mobile commerce. So the applications, what all can be done through mobile, let us understand. So applications of mobile commerce, that we call it as m-commerce. So applications were introduced in order to serve time critical services. Why it is actually developed or introduced is to save the time. That is, we need not on our laptop. We can directly access from our mobile phone wherever we are. Sometimes we may be in different locations. Sometimes it is the time also, night times. We need not go to net center. Some may have laptops, some may not have. We need not go to internet center or the computer, and we can directly access from our mobile. So what all we can access, let us understand. So these applications enable the users to accomplish their task. That is very, very important. So the application facilitate to complete our task. We have n number of tasks per every day. So without wasting our time or without spending additional money or without going anywhere, we can complete our task. Some of the m-commerce application and services are given below. Location based services. So location based services, these m-commerce will help in determining the location by nearby restaurants like food courts, ATM, petrol bunks, theaters, etc. using certain applications like Zomato, Smarter Agents, etc. Along with the locations, the user is also provided with a map showing the way to reach the desired location. So it is a very beauty in these services. Like we can trace, that is according to the location. When we are going different location where we don't have any awareness about that location, we need not ask anyone. We can directly check from our phone where it will show where exactly we are. And if we want to go to ATM or ATM or petrol bunk or any restaurant, we can immediately check in our mobile. That way it will help us, and it will also show the route, how we have to go, which route we have to take. That is a very, very important and helpful application in this. Then banking and financial services. This is very large area, that is important and critical area where the transactions can be done with the help of mobile. What transactions? Banking and financial transactions. So with the emergence of mobile commerce, several banks have become participant of mobile banking, wherein a user can check his account balance, transfer amount, pay utility bills via etc. via cell phones. So for example, if you want to make any financial transaction, we require money. We have to go to bank. For example, you are staying in a hostel. You need pocket money. So how you will be receiving? Your parents will be sending in the bank. You have to go to bank and you have to withdraw your money. But now what is happening? Without that, with your mobile only, your mom or dad can send money in your account with the help of internet banking, or even now different apps have come like Phone Pay, Google Pay and other apps, wallet balances, so that you can withdraw that money. So this is what very, very helpful, and very quickly we can get our money. So even we are not using cash also. You don't require physical cash also. So this app, this mobile commerce is very much helping, and I should say it is making people lazy also. And also when we are spending money from our apps, We don't even know what is our balance. We keep on clicking our mobiles. That is also one of the what you call disadvantage, I say. So mobile commerce, banking transactions we can do. We can transfer money. We can recharge our mobiles. We can pay current bills. We can send to our anyone who require money, and we can book. We can pay our fees, and you can even take other what you call payment related things. All transactions can be done. Utility bills other than current and water. Okay, so this is very much helpful, especially banking and financial services. Then coming to advertisement over a mobile. So mobile service provides a complete record of their subscribers, locations, their age, name, games and other services they frequently use on their cell phones. So what happening is here, when we are completely using our mobiles, the data can be traced, the data can be collected by the people. They will know what is our completely, what we require, what age group, where we are. So it is easily accessible, the data, which helps for the advertisement. So it can be accessed, it helps for the promoting, spreading from one place to the other place. So this information is very much essential for marketers. This helps them to find millions of potential customers with an ease. Now initially, one traditional way, when we want any data, we used to go to each person, take survey and we used to get the data. But now it is not like that. We can get the complete data whatever is required. So put to all the almost the data is also not from one person or two person. There are millions of people who are using. So the data will also be from the potential customers in a easy way. So the mobile marketing will certainly result in higher success rate if done at the right time in a right way. So it is also very easy, and also success rate is very high, and at the right time in for the right way. Even movie tickets and other things also can be booked with the help of mobiles. Then entertainment. So not only for, it is helping us in the banking transactions, in the advertisement, it also helping us in the entertainment. We want to watch any of the thing, we want to play any of the games, we can pay in our mobiles. Like it serves as a portable platform for entertainment with their ability to play video, audio, 3D games, movies, etc. So the service providers offer different forms of digital games, music, we can listen music, we can see the news, we can have the weather reports and the mobile, everything, TV, etc. Even TV also you can watch from your mobile with a minimum surcharge. Therefore, many companies are developing and selling different mobile compatible softwares. So this is why very highly competitive with the channel providers. Like you can see, we have different channels. We have like whichever channel we want, we can see. Now you also have not only the recharge of Reliance or other things with the internet or Tata Sky, but also we have like AHA, Sony, Hotstar, Disney, all these Prime Video, all these things. So that is the reason the companies are developing that, because it is having high demand. Mobile brokerage, that is m-commerce, enables subscriber to have up-to-date information regarding the marketing developments irrespective of physical location. Then mobile purchase, that is mobile enables the customer to perform their shopping online irrespective of time and location. You can purchase with the help of mobile. You can have the information with the help of information or knowledge about the products and with the reviews, all those things we can judge whether the product is helpful or not and take appropriate decision whether to buy that product or not to buy the product. The questions can be asked in like explain the applications of mobile commerce. Hope this video is helpful in understanding about the application of mobile commerce. Thank you.